yung performance ng Joe Squad, sobrang impressive. And nakakatuwa lang na ma-witness ulit sila na mag-perform sa The Voice Generation stage. Sobrang naramdaman namin yung hirap na desisyon na ginawa ni Coach Julie. Kasi lahat naman yun, great artists, wonderful performances. Pero this is a competition and we really need to choose someone na di natutuloy sa competition. It's hard for us to do that, pero it is what it is. But we're very happy na nakikita yung growth ng artists na nagpa-perform every week dito sa stage ng The Voice Generations. And sana yung sinabi ni Coach Julie na kahit napauwi sila, sana maging inspirasyon ito, sana maging avenue ito for them na in the future magkaroon pa sila ng more opportunities para sa group nila, sa skills nila, and sana mapatagumpayan pa nila yung gusto nang maabot ng team nila. So ayun, excited na ako of course for my team, but ayun, gusto ko i-congratulate si Coach Julie kasi tapos na kabang nararamdaman niya, it's my turn na kabahan niya. So good luck to me.